lips were chapped than chapped, so I got chapstick. And you're recording.
Oh, what? You just helped yourself?
Yeah, I you know. You let me go shopping. That's your fault. What else I get? Oh, that's it. Oh, I got gum. It's in my pocket.
You let me go shopping. Go shopping. That's your fault.
So I got Ruffles because pH and coffee because we are dead. For the past 2 days. I hope it is. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay. I saw that it was outrageous, not nutrageous, but kind of the same thing.
Get up.
Oh, it's dying.
Yeah.
I forgot. I'll just use my phone after. This is all so cute. We love Marshalls for decor. These are so cute. Hi. So this is like hours later. My hair's kind of parting down the middle, but it'll get used to it, I hope. I'm gonna put this up. We got this. It's really cute. Really good quality. I love them. So this one is just cats for Halloween. So this one is for Christmas. It's not Christmas, but okay. I can't stand on the toilet. I'm scared. I've never stood on this toilet. No, no. I'm gonna go get a chair. Got a chair. What? Oh, it was in the microwave. Let me know if you want to see my Halloween vlog. I feel like it's kind of late for that. We've just been busy since November started. But let me know if you want to see the Halloween vlog, because I vlogged the whole thing. I just haven't started editing it. So if you want to see that, let me know and I'll put that up after. And these are only $6. They're not, if you live in Apple Valley, they're not in our Marshalls. This was in Summit. So yeah, let me know if you want to see the Halloween vlog, because I have that. I did 2 days. I did like the weekend. I did Saturday, or I did Friday and Saturday, not Sunday because that's after. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It wasn't really like long and I didn't talk that much, but leave a like, comment, subscribe if you want to do, and see you in the next one. Bye.